Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In front of this very bright ring light, I was not ready for how bright this is. This is a get ready with me vlog, like a Tuesday get ready with me vlog. Even though it's not Tuesday, it's okay. I know. But according to our schedule, we post these on Tuesdays. But anyway, I digress. So today we're gonna have like a fun story time, and I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna show y'all like how I get ready for the day. This is what I look like when I wake up. So this is my face, natural, no makeup. This is how I look when I get up. This is my face. Like, there's some serums and some things because I already kind of did my skincare and I'm mad, but I'll definitely show the products that I use. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I do. Even if you're a guy, please stick around. I have a very funny story time. It's a dating story that is going to be over this. As I'm getting ready, you're gonna hear the story. So stick around with me, watch me get ready. Some of the products I use are unisex. There are some guys that like makeup. There are some people that just like to wear makeup regardless of their gender and how they identify. So stay tuned, pay attention. If you have any questions about anything that I use, and thank you so much to Beauty Artistry Empire for the amazing lashes that we're gonna use in this tutorial. Let's get ready for our day.
Okay, quick story time before we start. I'm using products from the organic skincare company Trader Joe's, Milani, NYX, and I think that's it. I think Girl, maybe even LA Colors, which is like the ultimate cheap drugstore brand. I'm not a makeup guru, but let's get into this look. Basically primer, foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, lashes, a little bit of eyeshadow, a little eye contour, and that's pretty much it. And let's get into this story. So I was dating this guy, and yo, I love this brand, but I'm gonna be very transparent right now.
At the bottom of the homepage,
I think these might be too big. So we're gonna switch to a different style. This is style Hottie, so just icy. So just know if you order icy, this is
one that come give me a list.
Let me know what y'all think in the comments. This is like a super positive dating story. I had a guy that was interested in me, and instead of him like, you know, traditional, like, oh, you know, when we gonna kick it, this man flew out to come and see me and gave me the Disney princess treatment. Loved it.
Okay, so it is Mercury retrograde, and the entire last chunk of the video disintegrated into nothingness. So this is the finished look, and we're using natural lighting here. This is the finished look, which I kind of adore. Very simple little makeup look, but I did put on a red lip. I didn't do the lashes because the style that I was gonna put on is really big, and I love that lash line. Please go check them out. But that style in particular is not for me. So yeah, the other ones that I've tried so far from them are on my Instagram page. They're gorgeous, and I have another style that I'm gonna try on too. But since it's the daytime, like the red lip is enough. I actually have on like workout clothes. But yeah, so this is like my everyday look. I hope y'all enjoyed that ridiculous story. Please stay subscribed. I'm gonna have another video coming today, I think, later on. It's a food video, so stay tuned. If I don't post it today, it'll be tomorrow or Friday. But yeah, subscribe to my TikTok. I'm sorry, follow my TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube. Check me out on everything. Forgive the smoke detector. It just started beeping. I know I'm gonna change it. And I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you.